Hi friends, welcome to Pyramid Bell channel. Today we are going to unbox Hama 2 wireless stereo earphone. It is a Freedom Light pack which comes with a 5-year warranty. Hama, the original brand. It is an amazing product from Hama. In this video I am going to unbox it. Let us see what are all the features covered in this Hama earphone. So it is an integrated model which comes with a earbud pouch which we can recharge it and we can carry everywhere. So the technical data has been printed at the back side of the Hama box. It comes with USB-C charging cable and the weight of the earbud is just 4 gram, which is very minute. It comes in two different color. One is black and another one is white color. In this video I'm going to unbox the black color Hama earphone. Come, let's enter the video. I will show you what are all the accessories and what kind of items included in the pack. As you are seeing here, it is packed very well and very securely. So it comes with a pouch where the earbuds placed very carefully, and this case is made of plastic, so it must be handled very gentle and very carefully. And there are other two manuals and user guide which instruct us how to use it, how to recharge and how to handle with care. It comes with C cable, one end and the other end with the USB port. So the lid is connected with a magnetic force, so just a press it can open. If you release the lid it will close automatically, looking very gentle. So now we removed the earbuds. Hama, the original brand from all kind of electronics. It is a Freedom Light model with 4 gram weight each earbud. There is no any buttons available in the Hama earphone. So you can see here at the bottom there are two ports where it will be recharged. So I will tell you in the video how to recharge. As you can see here, it comes like 1.5 inch length, which can shoot very optimally in our ear, and we can listen all the music and the phone calls very clearly without any disturbance. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.1 and the input is 5 voltage. The battery type is 3.7 voltage with lead polymer. So as I told you, it comes with a USB-C charging cable. It is already QC certified one with 5-year warranty, quality checked. This product is from Germany. Hama, a German product, always withstand for a long years. So if you open the instruction manual, you can see what kind of items comes along inside with the pack. 2 earbuds, one case where we can charge it. At the bottom of the case you can fix the USB cable and C cable to get it charged. So as they shown here, you can set a password to connect it with your mobile. Any kind of mobile this can be connected, either it is iPhone, iOS or Android or Google or Microsoft. you can connect it to all kind of devices. This Hama product is from Germany. As I told you earlier, the product is very rigid and very eye-catching. User manual has been given in different languages. In the first page, it comes with English manual where they have given all safety notes and safety precautions, mainly the warning, and regarding the battery they have given very clearly. Please read it, because we are going to carry the case wherever we go, so we want to handle it very gently. Avoid using with water. If you allow with contact with the water, you will spoil the case and it will damage the chargeable items. As it is in black color, it is very attractive and very eye-catching. This is the port where you need to insert the C cable. It is very handy, very shiny, so we need to use it very gentle. Now I will show you how to charge it. At the end, please insert the C cable at the one end, and the other end you can use a power bank. Here I am going to show you with the power bank how to charge it. Power bank also from Hama brand. I am a regular customer of Hama brand. I love this product. When you purchase, you need to recharge this case for 2 hours. Later you can carry wherever you go, and it can be charged your earbuds for 7 hours. So no need to worry about the power. This is an awesome product. If you are willing to get a earphone, please choose Hama brand. It comes with a 5-year warranty. With touch sensor product, you can recharge 3 times with integrated microphone. So friends, hope you all like this video. I will catch you in another video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.